Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. Shawn Porter completely dominated this fight against Sebastian Formella. It was easy work over 12 rounds. If you gave Formella one round, stop watching boxing, stop judging boxing, because it's embarrassing. Shawn Porter came in here, did what he wanted to do, when he wanted to do it, how he wanted to do it. It was nothing that could stop him. I mean, Formella, strong chin. Shawn Porter landing over 300 punches. Shawn Porter looked as though he wanted to test some things out, check his conditioning, and work on a few things. It wasn't like he just came in here and he was like, I'm just going to completely knock this guy out. He didn't do that. He came in here looking to make a statement, but he was cautious enough. Hey, Formella had great defense. I thought he would try to establish the jab early to keep Shawn off of him. He tried to attempt that, but Shawn wouldn't let him. I mean, Shawn Porter he was having combinations here, there, wherever he wanted to, but some of them were partially blocked. So I give Formella credit for not coming in here and folding up or giving up. I mean, these highlights that you're seeing, Shawn Porter is all over Formella, but he's right there. He tries to give it back when he can, but in no way, shape, form, or fashion did he have a chance, and that's the reason why Shawn Porter was a winner of this eliminator. Shawn Porter, his dad, they should be proud. He came in here. He looks ready for a title shot. I mean, I'm very impressed with Shawn Porter. He did not disappoint. Now, of course, he wanted to get the knockout. That would have been great, but I feel that Formella was here. Once he realized that he had no chance to win, I mean, he went into survival mode. And then once you go into survival mode, really, you just have to sit down on your punches. And Shawn didn't want to even give a chance of something crazy happening. So congratulations on the win, Shawn Porter. Guys, let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.